depending on the scorpion's size, they'll just I'm trying to get the camera to focus. Oh, there we go. Look at this fella. Oh yeah. Here, hold the camera for me. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can pet it. If I can pet it. Give it little pets. What, bro? What'd you say?
I said he looks like Sid from my state.
I don't view him as a Sid. Oh yeah. Hmm.
Never mind. If I hear a loud tap, that means he was giant. Or big, or something else.
Moths, maybe.
Yeah, I think you're right. Moths, katydids. Because I think there's only one...
Let's see if I can try handling a katydid next. Or either a moth.
Well, I was thinking about that, but the katydids can also bite.
Well, yeah, because we've seen the Kelvin Wiley videos.
Yeah.
That little guy.
He was just holding with the katydid on only right hand and have empty left hand and start testing out and how pain that he can get. I don't know.
I mean, from the katydid's bite.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if their bites are that bad.
But the katydid's face looks like, to me, it looks like a Phineas's front viewing face.
No, Mike.
But it does not really look like one.